Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Quartz pocket watch. Today I have three different models, so three variations of a Quartz pocket watch, so that I can show you the various models that you can find out there. So a very common one is going to be this one right here, where we have this protection on the front. So we have this cap, this lid that covers the front of the watch. Here, for example, we have only this example, so we have loop at the same time, so it is going to magnify a little, and then we have the model that has nothing on the front. For this exact model, what we want to do is to press the button right here in order to release the cap, and now I can actually have access to the front of the watch, so to the dial, and I will be able to set the time. In order to set the time, our crown on pocket watches is going to be located right here at 12 o'clock. So I'm going to pull the crown just like that, and now I'm going to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. And let's say that I want to make it 6:30, 6 o'clock and then 30. And then at the end, what I want to do is to push the crown all the way back in. The watch is going to start ticking again, and voila, that is how you set the time on your Quartz pocket watch. For the other models, the principle is going to be the same, since this one does not have a front protection or lid. Just like that, push it inwards, and the same principle is going to apply right here. Now, in case you also want to watch the full guide on how to replace the watch battery by yourself at home, make sure to check out the link in the description box below. And also, if you have a mechanical watch, I'm going to also show you how to wind your mechanical pocket watch. Also, link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. In case you want to purchase your first vintage watch or pre-owned watch, make sure to check out our website, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including a bunch of pocket watches just like these on the website, so make sure to check them out. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.